unboxing and hopefully my review video of the BMW F800GS LED headlight. So I just got this in the mail. I ordered it from Alibaba online. I'll have a link down below in the description. This was about $150 plus shipping. So shipping wasn't too bad, less than $30 to the USA. So I want to see if the quality is good like the other ones are supposed to be, if it has the little drains for so your headlights basically don't fog over or get moisture inside is what I mean. So let's get this unboxed and take a look. Take a look and see. I'm actually really curious to see what this bugger looks like. And I'm sure you guys are also. It is. It's a LED headlight. Awesome. I know because of these little side tabs to hold in your other one. So here is a first look, guys. Let's see what we got. Okay. Yep. It's got the perfect. This is awesome. I hope you guys can see. I believe it goes like this. So you got the plug in here, both your lights. Get this pulled out of here. It's heavy and the plastic feels like it's good quality. That's all that was in the box there. Let's get this out of here gently. Make sure there's nothing else going on. Oh, there we go. And it does have those little valves or screw deals on the bottom here. So if you want to vent your headlights, you can. And here's the front. Here's the LED headlight. Check that out. And seems like it's good quality. I mean, you can see the plastic where it's molded has, I'll get close-up video here, but you can see a couple little deals there, but man, oh man. Otherwise it looks good. It's got the E9 rating or approval, whatever that is. But yeah, looks good, guys. I suppose I could pull this off for you. There. There we go. Give you a close-up look at this. Let me check my camera, make sure the settings are good. The bugger looks amazing. No complaints. Like I say, I'll have the link down below in the description so you guys can actually order from the exact same supplier if you want. I thought about ordering them myself and then just reselling them over here for more money, but I'm not into that. I'll just let you guys order your own. So pretty darn cool. Now I have to go get this plugged into the bike. Try and install it and check it out. We literally have a blizzard warning for where I'm at right now in northern Minnesota. But yeah, so I'll try and get that put in the bike. Hopefully today. I gotta actually put the battery back in the bike and then install that. But we literally have a blizzard warning for today. We're supposed to get, actually starting tonight, but it's supposed to get 8 to 12 inches up to 18 inches of snow here. So, well, luckily today it's almost 40 degrees out, so I will try and get that put in, get a couple photos, get some video, and I'll get this video uploaded, hopefully. So, thank you guys for watching. Remember, favorite, like, share, and subscribe, and check out my channel for more videos. And I hope you like this one.